Hey guys, happy Monday. So my mom and I are off to get new mattresses. She needs a new bed, I need a new bed, and I know both of our backs are probably not doing that well from the beds that we're sleeping on. So it's Memorial Day and we're gonna go take advantage of some mattress sales. So that is the start of this vlog. I'm down here at my mom's house and we're just gonna kind of have a day together. We're gonna make some dinner later together as well and just kind of enjoy this relaxing day. I did enough partying for the weekend, so today is kind of that day that I take it as my Sunday, and I get to spend it with my mom. I look like an egghead. That's because I have a face mask on. I am doing the Glam Glow Thirsty Mud Hydrating Treatment. So came in like a little sample pack with the full Glam Glow mask. So always look for the like holiday sets or kind of just like any sets in general. You'll usually find, you know, like a full size product with some sample sizes. So I'm using that right now. But I had a great day with my mom. We got a new mattress for me, which I'm so stoked about because not only is it comfortable, but the back of it reclines upwards. So when I'm working in bed, I could be sitting up like this, and that's because I've adjusted my bed to be that way. So grateful for my new bed. And I'm also just so grateful for any time that I get to spend with my mom. She is literally my rock, and I'm so thankful that our relationship has grown so strong over the years because I really, really don't know what I'd do without her. So shout out to you, Mom. You're the bomb. So we had dinner together. We made crab stuffed tilapia that we bought from Publix, and we had it with some potatoes. We roasted potatoes with mushrooms and onions, and then we had some corn on the cob and asparagus. So it was a really nice, delicious dinner, and now I'm just kind of relaxing, catching up on YouTube, and drinking some chamomile and mint tea to get myself relaxed for the rest of the night, which I need to go to bed soon because I'm really tired. Felt like I needed to end today's little section of the vlog. I don't really know what this week has planned, so I guess we're just gonna have to see what the next clip holds. Hi guys, happy Wednesday. I had to think about that for a second. I'm actually heading to a coffee shop. It's called The Seed. I'm gonna go get myself some coffee and edit a video that I just filmed. It's pretty controversial and it's already up on my channel if you're watching this. You guys know I upload vlogs on Monday and kind of like any miscellaneous video that I want to film on Thursday. So this past Thursday, I filmed a video on why jewels are trash. So definitely go check that out. Let me know what you think. So I'm gonna go get that done, and then I am going to do some work on the computer, enjoy my coffee, and then I'm going live on Instagram tonight talking about how to build a side hustle, how to get some new forms of income. So definitely follow me on Instagram if you're not already. My handle is at T4YLORLAYNE. I'll put that down below so you can see when I'm going live, because I might be using that as a new outlet to kind of get my thoughts out there, since YouTube is kind of taking the back burner. The view count is low. So again, make sure you're subscribed to me and following me on all my handles so you can constantly stay up to date with me if you care to. Everyone is being all cozy right now. Let me go show you Lily. She's being really cute too. Does anyone else's cats love forts? Because Lily loves being underneath the blanket. Getting ready to make some peanut butter banana muffins. There is absolutely no flour in here, so I will post the recipe right here so you can make it yourself if you want to. You're gonna bake them at 350 for about 15 minutes, so I will show you what they look like when they're out of the oven. They did settle a little bit, but oh my gosh, I just had one and they are so moist and smooth and fluffy, and my mouth's watering because I'm probably gonna eat another one. So definitely let me know if you try out this recipe. Hey YouTube, so it is Friday, my second favorite F word. I just had to throw that in there. And I am getting ready to hit the Ave. My friend Danielle, who I work with Babes, I also do the hair care company with her. She is throwing a charity event with like some police organization that helps out with younger underprivileged children. So I'm gonna go head to the bar. There's Tito's. They're sponsoring the event. Rocco's Tacos is supporting the event. So tacos and tequila, I'm there. But I wanted to talk to you about my two favorite beauty products at the moment. I don't think I've ever mentioned the Naked Heat palette on my channel. Guys, I was obsessed with the Unzipped palette by Lorac for a really long time, and then I am now obsessed with this. I still use the Lorac palette, but these colors though, it just suits my blue eyes. I love warm tones, and that palette just does it for me. Like, you know the you emoji? I'm gonna insert it. That's how I feel about that palette. Another product I'm really loving is by Monet, and this is the Champ Conditioning Dry Shampoo. Has the Rejuvenique oil, which is really hydrating for your hair, so it doesn't dry it out at all. And this is about third day hair, so it needed some rejuvenation. I also wanna show you what I'm wearing to the event, so let me head downstairs to get to the dirty mirror and show you my outfit. So my outfit is all Express. This top with the butterfly sleeves is Express. These dress shorts are Express. This belt I wear way too often. It's my mom's, or was. And my shoes are from Target. Purse is Amazon. It's a knockoff Chloe. My watch is Movado. I have on miscellaneous rings. This was actually my great grandma's engagement ring if I could turn it. And I just have on diamond earrings. So this is my outfit for the evening. Let's go tear up the town. Coming down the stairs, but I wanted to kind of start the vlog. It is Saturday. How I feel versus what my mom wants me to tell you I feel are two completely different things, because like I said, last night was Friday night. I went to that charity event, and then we stayed out a little bit longer, Natalia and I, and you know, kept the fun going. So that's why I look this way. Got myself some Fresh Kitchen. I am very, 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 if I can open it, excited about that. And then I also got myself a shot because I'm like, you know, 1, treat yourself, 2, self-care, and 3, because you need it, nutrients. So this is the immune shot. It's ginger, turmeric, orange, grapefruit, lemon, and cayenne. So I'm gonna take that, nurse this hangover, sorry mom, nurse this hangover back to health, and then I'm actually gonna go with my mom to a high school graduation. One of her girlfriend's daughters graduated from high school, so I'm gonna go with her because hashtag free food. I like to eat when I'm hungover, you know, I'm just like a bottomless pit. So that is what's gonna happen right now, and I will catch up with you guys once my makeup's done, my hair's done, and of course I'll show you my outfit. I thought I could share my outfit in this mirror to switch it up for a change, since my outfit isn't any different than what I usually wear. My lips, I have MAC Lady Danger, one of my favorite lip colors for summer. I have on gold hoops. My bodysuit is from Forever 21, Gucci belt, Mother denim jeans. This purse is also from Forever. I have on my usual jewelry and my usual black heels from Target. So this is my outfit, literally going for the food, so hopefully there is a wide variety. Hey guys, happy Sunday. So I am at work. We are bartending a private party. It's a pool party, it's someone's birthday. So we have the whole setup. Gang is here, the party hasn't started yet. There's a bounce house, and it's about to get live. We have a champagne gun. Things are getting wild. So I figured I would start the vlog and probably end the vlog as well. I feel like the weekend's coming to an end, so we might as well wrap it up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until my next one, I will see you guys then. Bye.